Hey guys, it's Camille here, aka Travel with Cams, and this is my step-by-step tutorial of how to create a vision board like the one behind me. So for those who don't know what a vision board is, it's just basically a visual representation of the goals that you want to achieve and the things that you want in your future, just in one place. A vision board is something that a lot of successful people have done before. And I've heard the likes of Oprah and Steve Harvey, they swear by making vision boards and they feel like it contributes to their success. So if you want to learn about how to create a vision board and what a vision board is, please stay tuned. I wanted to make this video as we're coming towards the end of a new year, end of 2019, and going into not only a new year but into a new decade. So I feel like this is the perfect time to put this video out to help people to review their goals and to find an extra way to manifest your dreams. I made my first proper vision board in 2018. It's just things that I want to achieve in the next 5 years and beyond. The biggest thing that I feel I've achieved so far within months of even making my vision board was my engagement. So on my board I have my engagement ring that I wanted, and I have it now. And before I even got engaged, my fiance didn't even know I had this board, he hadn't seen it. So I'm going to do a separate video on how I manifested my engagement also, so watch out for that one. First step on how to make a vision board is to get crystal clear about what your goals are and what you actually want to achieve in the future. What do you actually want in the next 5 to 10 years? So think of in terms of your relationships. What does your ideal relationship look like? What do you want your friendships to be like? What does your career look like 5 to 10 years from now? Where do you want to be? What do you want your finances to be like? Even your health. What are you going to do to improve your health within the next 5 years? So this is everything that should go onto your vision board. Before you even get the materials and start printing out pictures, set them goals first. And I will do another video about how you can get crystal clear about the goals that you want to achieve. So look out for that one. But that's the first step. Get crystal clear about what you want. The next step is to get all your materials prepared. So the first thing you need, of course, is a board that you're going to stick all your images onto. So for me, I just used a thick piece of card, but you could also use a wooden board, something where you can just pin images on and easily take them off, or it's up to you. So the next step is to prepare all your images. You can get images from websites such as Pinterest. You can go on there, just Google a keyword related to your goal, cut out magazines, newspapers, anything. It doesn't have to just be images, you could also use quotes. And the next step is decide where you're going to put the images and words on your board. So for me, I recommend grouping your goals together. So if it's a relationship related goal, get all your images and words that relate to relationships and pull it into one section of your board. So for me personally, I decided to split my vision board up into 4 sections. They are health and fitness goals, my career and finance goals, my love and relationships goals, including friendships, and my fun and creativity goals. The next step is to make it look as attractive as possible. So for me, I decided to go for a coloured piece of paper, and I didn't want to handwrite everything, so I ended up getting sticky words to put on to the vision board. And the next step is to dream big. Although your goals should be realistic and attainable, make sure that when you look at your vision board, you feel inspired to go out and achieve that dream. Don't aim small and put something that is easily achievable. Dream big so that you can stretch yourself, stretch your imagination, and go after that thing that you want. The next step is to put your vision board somewhere that you're going to see every day. Make sure you put it up on your wall. Take a picture of it, make it your screensaver. Make sure it's just something that you have to see every day, so that you have your goals in mind and everything that you do as soon as you start your day and end your day. I facilitate and organise goal setting workshops and vision board parties in which we get crystal clear about our goals, we make vision boards, we leave feeling inspired, ready to smash them goals. So if this is something that you'd be interested in coming to, look out for announcements on my next one, as I have one coming up soon. Be sure to check me out on all your social medias, Travel with Cams, and to check out my blog, travelwithcams.com. You'll find some more videos coming up and more personal development stuff. We're in this together, so let's just go into 2020 and smash it, get our goals and achieve what we want to achieve.